name is Kroum. I'm a maritime archaeologist. I work with specifically 17th century shipwrecks for quite some time. This is the main interest of main focus of my research. The method that is visible here was developed for the recording of the Vasa frames. She presented a unique challenge for nautical archaeology in recording the vessel, since she is a complete ship and one cannot document the frames, the structure that supports the whole vessel. Previous attempts have been made and successful. So what we are trying to achieve with the flags is really visualize what the frames are doing, which way the timbers are going, how they overlap, how they were put together, which in turn will permit us to understand better not only how the structure works from engineering and shipbuilding point of view, but how the master shipwrights in those days conceptualized the ship, how they envisioned it, what stresses they were aware of, and how they found solutions to dealing with these stresses.
So what are you actually doing here?
What we're actually doing here first is attempting to, through poking with a very thin wire in the seams of the planks, trying to find exactly where and how the timbers are running across. This permits us to understand the framing structure. So what the flags are actually doing here is, you can see the line in this corner that we have tied around the flags. It illustrates exactly this specific part of the frame, how it runs. In this case, it is a top timber, the upper part of the frame of the vessel. But the idea was that using the flags, it will be easier to visualize what is really happening and will make it possible for the archaeologists to determine exactly the sequence of building, the types, the dimensions of the timbers, the whole framework in which the shipwright was working. It was tried successfully on Vasa, and clearly it works also underwater. Warwick is actually the first time that the method has been used underwater.
That's great. Thank you so much for your time, Doctor.